Okay, so thank you everyone for being with me this morning. Here in Brazil is 8 o'clock in the morning, and I see that participants all over the world. So I just want to share some of my experience in orthodontic treatment of impacted teeth using skeletal anchorage and this with mini implants and mini plates. So thank you again for inviting me, Professor Bong, and let's go. So I come from Brazil. This is our huge country, and I'm from Minas Gerais. That it's we make frontiers with São Paulo and Rio de Janeiro. We are in the interior of the country. We don't have beaches, so this is where we are right now, Belo Horizonte. And this is a picture of a neighborhood that we have here, the Lagoa da Pampulha, and our big stadium of football, soccer. Instead, football is not American football. We like soccer more than American football. So let's introduce the subject. We see that as orthodontists, we have one of the biggest challenge that we have is the impacted teeth. So this is a subject that attracts me since my beginning in orthodontics. So it's a subject that I like a lot to speak. And I have my presentation today. It's very clinical.